We use Noibu across all of our 14 brands. Like I said, we're built on a custom backend, so everything we do is built from the same core. So if we're able to identify one issue on a Florsheim.com site, we can then translate that to the Florsheim Australia site, which also contains Noibu. And there we can resolve multiple issues at once because it's easy enough to identify one. And like I said, we have the opportunity to edit the code since we're custom. So it makes error resolution a lot easier, a lot faster. There's a lot of comfort that comes with having Noibu in our back pocket, not only for myself and my team, but also from shareholders and stakeholders and people around the company. It's easy to feel like we have a tool in our back pocket to make sure everything we do is verified and tested. And there's a sense of safety with Noibu, so it's easier to kind of feel comfortable with releasing new features. And I think since we've used Noibu, we've had bigger features go out and fixes that go out, and it's nice to see them being resolved. There are examples where customer service team would come to us with an issue before we had Noibu, and obviously without Noibu, there was times where we couldn't recreate the issue. You know, we'd go, we'd look, we only have access to certain devices, we only have access to certain browsers, so we'd go in those browsers, and at that time we never knew that it could have been something outside of what we had access to. So with the tool Noibu, it's easy to go in and they give us the top browser, they give us the top pages that it's on, they give us the top URLs. Now when the CS team comes to us, we can report back and say, okay, we know it's on iOS, we know it's on Safari, we know it's happening on the checkout page, so we can kind of pinpoint that directly and relay that information back to them a lot quicker.